We were looking for a vehicle for my daughter, so we went to your Herb Chambers in Seekonk, Massachusetts, and we entered the giveaway then.
First of all, why the giveaways? We had the giveaways because we were trying to increase our presence on social media.
And how did you enter the contest?
Through the online. There was an online, yes, Facebook, and there was an online, thegiveaways.com.
And we had people that were liking us, and if they liked us, we put them into a drawing. And we had 12 drawings over a period of 12 weeks. Each week, the winner would be notified, and they would get various types of gifts. They got tickets to concerts, they got tickets to see the Red Sox play. It was all leading up to the best prize or winner would get a tour of Boston with me in our corporate helicopter. And we have a helipad here on our building. In fact, the helicopter just landed a few moments ago. And we're going to take this couple and take them on a tour of the greatest city in the world, which is Boston.
And how did you feel when you found out that you did win?
Excited, very excited.
And you got the phone call?
I got the phone call from Joey. He called and said you won the ultimate grand prize, and we were jumping up and down, excited. My husband said, I don't know about the helicopter, but I guess I'll go.
Hi, Rhonda, how are you? We're going to go fly high.
It was amazing.
Phenomenal.
Absolutely amazing.
Thank you
so much. We appreciate it, and what a great time we're having.
We're honored and grateful, and we'll always remember it.
And we'll see you at under Seekonk again.
We'll see you at Herb Chambers Cadillac dealership.